The New Guinea forest has an atmosphere all its own. From one point of view, it's rather disappointing. You don't see many mammals, far fewer than in African or South American forests. But what this place lacks in mammals, it makes up for in birds. Not that it's all that easy to see them. You know they're around because you can hear them. But if you want to watch them, you have to move fairly quietly. And there is one of the smallest of the whole family. This is the one with those extraordinary saw-tooth plumes, the King of Saxony's bird. There's nothing else remotely like these plumes in the whole of the bird world. He's calling for a female. And it's not just his plumes that are unique, so is his way of dancing. That hissing noise is his call. You can tell he's getting particularly excited because he's erected the black feathers on his shoulders into a cape, another of those transformation tricks that seem to be a speciality of this family. He's so worked up, he's trying to mate with a tuft of moss. A female at last. Typical female colouring. And that's never been filmed before.